In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in WPS Office. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your paragraphs line up cleanly on both the left and right sides, giving your document a polished, professional look that's great for reports, resumes, and formal letters. First, open your document in WPS Writer. If you already have a file ready, go ahead and load it up. If you're starting fresh, create a new document and add a few sentences so you can see the change clearly when we format the text. Next, highlight the paragraph or specific block of text you want to justify. Selecting the text first ensures that whatever you do next applies exactly where you want it. A quick tip here. Include the final period when you highlight because justification takes the entire paragraph into account, including punctuation. Now look for the tools or edit icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap that to open the formatting controls. Depending on your layout or device, you might see these options presented slightly differently, but the idea is the same. You're heading to the formatting area where paragraph settings live. From there, go to the home or paragraph section. This is where alignment, spacing, and similar text controls are grouped. If you don't see paragraph right away, it's often nested under home, so check there. Find the alignment option and tap it. You'll see several alignment choices. Choose Justify. The moment you select it, your text will expand or contract the spacing between words so the left and right edges of the paragraph align neatly with the margins. That change happens instantly, so you'll know right away if you've selected the correct text. Your paragraph is now justified. Take a second to scan the result. If you notice large gaps, consider whether the paragraph is too short or has very long words. Justification distributes space across the line, so shorter lines can look stretched. In that case, adding a bit more text to the paragraph or keeping headings left aligned can preserve clarity. While you're in the alignment menu, it helps to know the other options you can switch to as needed. Left align is the standard, most readable setting for everyday documents. Center align works well for titles and invitations. Right align is useful for dates, small captions, or design accents. And justify is best for formal, column-like layouts where clean edges matter. That's it. Open your document, select your text, head to Tools or Edit, move into Home or Paragraph, tap Alignment, and choose Justify. With these steps, your document gets an instant upgrade in professionalism and readability.